Hello guys, I will explain about the question 1 assignment from the topic of movement of 3D. So this is the question given. The force of F 700 newtons act along the line of CD. So determine the moment of force F about the axis of OA. So first of all, we have to write down the formula of moment of force F about this axis OA, which is equal to vector of axis OA dot product with the moment of force on a point about this axis OA. Step 1. We have to calculate the vector of axis OA, which is this axis. So the dx is 0.2 cm. The dy is 0 while dz is 0.4 cm. So we write down here and then we calculate the average of the dimension which is equals to 0.447. So the vector of axis OA is equal to the dimension divided by the average separately. So the step 2 is we calculate the vector of moment of force on a point along the axis OA. So we can choose either on point O or point A. But here I choose the moment of force along the point O. First down we write down the formula of moment of force on a point which is equal to ROC. ROC is vector from the one point along the axis line to the one point or along the force line. How to find the ROC is this is the ROC line. The dx is 0 while the dy is 0.3 while the dz is 0.4. Then we wrote it here which is dy and dz. We have to find the vector of force FCD using the coordinate method. So we have to know the coordinate x, y and z. This is the F act on line C to D. So how we want to find the coordinate is the dx is 0.2, the dy is negative 0.3 because it's moving downwards. The dz is negative 0.6 because it's moving backwards. Then we wrote it down here and then we find the average of these coordinates. Then we can find the force CD, the vector of force CD using the formula. The force given 700 times with the each coordinate separately which is divided by the average. Now we are going to do the cross product. So this is one of the method using the table method which is the column is filled with ijk followed by ij and the two row is filled with ROC vector and FCD vector. And then the table is filled using this ROC vector and FCD vector according to the IJK. So how we going to cross product it? So this is the way. As you guys can see here, there are red lines and blue lines which we need to draw. The red line product minus with the blue line product of each coordinate. I will give the example for I coordinate. So the red line of I coordinate 0.3 times with negative 600 minus with the I coordinate of blue line 0.6 times negative 300. We write here for I coordinate and so on for J and K coordinate. So the answer of the moment on point O is 120 J minus 60K. The step 3 is we have to substitute the step 1 and step 2 answer, which is step 1 answer and step 2 answer into the formula. So this formula is a dot product. Dot product which means we have to times in with the same coordinate and plus together. So here x coordinate is 0.2 over 0.472 while here is 0. So it's times with 0 equals to 0. While y coordinate here is 0 and here is 120 and times it equals to 0 while the z coordinate here is 0.4 over 0.4472 times with negative 60. So the moment of force along the OA axis is negative 53.66.